Hello and welcome to Splotch Code. Today we will be making maze backgrounds for our maze games. Let's get into it. So what we need to do is we just need to go to this backdrop here, and what we want to do is hover over it and go up to the paint. So now we've given an option to paint a backdrop. What we want to do is we want to get onto this box tool, and we want to press on this drop down menu here and press this button here so there's no fill on the box. This will make it so we can have an outside layer of our maze. So we'll make the outside layer of our maze here. Okay, so just make the box like that. So now you can make the inside layer, the next layer of our maze. We will have many maze backdrops available for you on the Splotch Code resources, but go and try and experiment making your own backdrops. It's really fun. So just keep making smaller boxes until we get to the final middle one, where why don't we just move it like a little bit there, and why don't we add like a little circle to show you have done it. Okay, so now we've got a little oval or ellipse there, and now what we are going to do is we want to create the gaps. So we're going to have an entry of the maze here, and we want first way in is here, and then second we go here, then we go down around there, then we go and enter right there. That's really simple. So we're going to add lines here in this black colour so that we block off areas, and so you can't go through them. So narrow that down there. Why don't we make it so you can't go that way? There. And once you've entered here, you can't go that way. And why don't we just add, just for the little bit of excitement here, you have to go around there. And just around here, let's just close this off. And there we've got a pretty simple maze background. Next up on this course, we will be making a maze game. Thank you for watching Splotch Code.